Hi friends, I am really happy to show you a project that I made for my mom for Mother's Day. I've never made an album like this, so I'm pretty pumped that I actually made something like this. It's pretty fun. Both my mom and I have been hooked on our Instant Pot. I don't know if you know what an Instant Pot is, but it's an electric pressure cooker. And I've had my Instant Pot for well over a year, and I love it so much. I actually have two of them, and my mom has one as well. So I'm always sharing recipes with her, and she's sharing recipes with me. So I thought for Mother's Day, I will put together an album for her with some of my favorite Instant Pot recipes. So this album is made with our gorgeous new Share What You Love Specialty Designer Series paper. It's actually April, and I'm not going to be posting this video until after Mother's Day, when I know my mom has got this, because I know sometimes she watches my videos. But I was able to pre-order this paper, and I love this paper so much that I have gone through an entire package of paper. There's 24 sheets, 12 by 12 sheets in a package, and yeah, just with the other, I've made a couple albums and a bunch of cards. Well, I'll show you just, for example, the Mother's Day card. This is the Mother's Day card that I've made, and I had an event this past weekend. Here's another card that we made this weekend. There's a variation of this one somewhere else. Here we go. It's in the plastic. Hopefully you don't have that shine too much, but I have just gone through this paper because I'm smitten with it. It's just absolutely gorgeous paper. So for the front, all I did is I cut out a couple of the flowers from this pattern, and this is from a different pattern from the same package, and I just raised it on Stampin' Dimensionals and put some pearls on there, and also some clear Wink of Stella. The favorite Instant Pot recipes, I stamped that with the Make a Difference stamp set. Now I used this stamp set. It's called Make a Difference. It's part of the Share What You Love promotion that's going on during the month of May. Otherwise, you can buy it when the new annual catalog comes out in June. But this is such a fun stamp set. So I used that to make my title. And what else? I've got some fun different little pearls on here. I've got our new doilies tucked behind there, and then some burlap ribbon, some old olive twine, and a gem. So when and I'll show you just the back is just like that. And then this has magnets. So this measures 7 by 9 when it's closed. So we'll go ahead and open it now. And so much fun. So this is how I'm sending this to my mom. It's going in today's mail, so I thought I'd better do a little video and show you how I put it together. So this is a tutorial that I found online. There are tons of tutorials on YouTube, and I am completely, totally hooked. I just want to keep making these. So this is a tutorial that I followed from my sister's scrapper. I believe that's the name. So there's a waterfall over here, and these also have magnets in them, and these little embellishments too are part of the Share What You Love suite, the embellishment kit. They're pretty beautiful. So when you open this up, I've printed some of my favorite Instant Pot recipes, and I print them to size and then just cut them and put them on the inside of those flaps. And then on this one here, I just put recipes that I hand wrote on the one side, and then I've got extra cards in here which I'll show you that I left from my mom, so if she wants to add some of her favorite recipes she can. And then just for fun, I had some leftover glitter washi tape from the Myths and Magic suite that was in the Occasions catalog, and I loved how it just added that little bit of shimmer. So that's what I have there. It's just so much fun. And then for the center part, picture of my mom and I. This was taken a year or two ago. And the mom is from the Apron of Love stamp set. And then the Because of You, I Am Me is from a retired stamp set. This is from the So Succulent stamp set, and I just inked it and then, hold it up a bit, I just inked it and then cut out the words and then popped them up. This tag is also from the Share What You Love embellishment kit with another doily behind here and an embellishment, and I just sponged crumb cake on there and then added the picture of my mom and I, of course. And then these are 4x6 waterfall cards. And then I just hand wrote some of my favorite recipes, and again left these blank so that if my mom wants to add some, she can. And then when you open it up, it's actually 6x6. So I debated adding a pocket, adding a photo, adding a quote, but I thought, you know, it's just such pretty paper, I'm gonna leave it. My mom might find, you know, some different shortcuts for the Instant Pot or tips that she might want to cut out and put on herself. Now down here I've got a little pocket, and this is from the Label Me Pretty stamp set and coordinating punch, and I just used my markers and tying in the colors of the Designer Series paper. Used my markers directly on the stamp, and then I took my first mark on top, sprinkled clear embossing powder, and then heat set it and punched it out and raised it on dimensionals, and then I added tiny little pearls on top of the flowers. And then on the inside, I've got some little recipe cards that I've already pre-cut so that they fit on the waterfall cards, depending on, you see, they go like that. So those are there for my mom if she needs them. And then just some different recipes that I know that she would like, that I've tried with my little notes, that I just thought she'd like. And then an Instant Pot cheat sheet, cooking times, and then again she can put different things in there that she wants. So that is my gift for my mom for Mother's Day. She's also getting a stamp set and some snail adhesive refills. So that is going to be her gift, and hopefully my dad doesn't watch this, because guess what he's getting for Father's Day? He's getting a masculine version of the exact same thing, because I love my Instant Pot so much. I got him one last year, so he's getting one of these too. And like I said, I'll just do it with a masculine theme for my dad and put a picture of my dad and I. So there you go. So I hope you enjoyed seeing this. I just had so much fun making this. I'm just going to be making a whole bunch more for gifts. So, and this paper, you guys, the Share What You Love Specialty Designer Series paper, I absolutely cannot say enough about this paper. It is sensational. Anyhow, thank you for watching. I appreciate you. Have a great day. Happy stamping.